Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Do you know about a dua that is very great? And if a person recites this dua repeatedly, Allah likes it very much? The words of the supplication are also very great. First of all, a person describes the greatness of Allah Almighty and describes His oneness, and after that, he mentions His sovereignty and praises Him. The supplication is as follows: La ilaha illallahu, wahdahu la sharika lah, lahulmulku walahul hamdu, wahuwa ala kulli shayin qadeer. There is no God but Allah, the One, having no partner with Him. Sovereignty belongs to Him, and all the praise is due to Him, and He is potent over everything. Abu Hurairah reported Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam as saying, He who uttered these words, there is no God but Allah, the One, having no partner with Him. Sovereignty belongs to Him, and all the praise is due to Him, and He is potent over everything. 100 times every day, there is a reward of emancipating 10 slaves for him, and there are recorded 100 virtues to his credit, and 100 vices are blotted out from his scroll, and that is a safeguard for him against a Satan on that day till evening. And no one brings anything more excellent than this, except one who has done more than this, who utters these words more than 100 times, and does more good acts. And he who utters, Glory be to Allah, and all praise is due to Him, 100 times a day, his sins are obliterated, even if they're equal to the extent of the foam of the ocean. There are many benefits of reciting this dua. First of all, whoever recites this dua 100 times a day will get the reward of freeing 10 slaves. Along with this, 100 good deeds will be recorded for him as if he had done 100 good deeds, and his 100 sins will be erased, and he will be safe from Shaytaan till evening. And this act of reading this dua is considered the best act.